Hey, it's George from Joint Effort Exercise. I am here at our Branford location today, and I wanted to take you through and show you this location because it looks a lot like what our Niantic location is going to look like. It's one big open room, very similar layout in terms of the cardio equipment, as well as the strength equipment. So I want to show you this location. So here we go. We have some slightly different colors, like the floor is going to be a little bit different color. It's actually going to be a wood floor rather than carpet. Make it a lot easier on everybody. So this machine here, actually, you know what? Before I do that, notice that all of the machines have charts on them, or folders on them, I should say. So all of these machines are already set up for our members. So when you come into your workout, your cardio machine is already going to be set up for you. So you don't have to worry about, am I on the right seat adjustment? Are the arms adjusted the proper way? Everything is already done for you. We just don't exercise for you, which if I figure that out, I will be a very successful person. So we set up all the machines for you, so there's no confusion there. So this machine here is a new step, which is a very effective piece of equipment for pretty much everybody. It's really a great low impact cardiovascular machine that helps to improve your stamina, but also it's low impact on your joints. So if you have any knee pain, back pain, hip pain, it's a really great machine to use. You see them more in a clinical setting. I worked in cardiac and pulmonary rehab at Yale, and we used them there, and they were without question the favorite machine of our patients. And then we have pretty much every type of cardio equipment that you would see in a traditional fitness facility: bikes, rowing machines, and elliptical. So that's that. And then afterwards, then we go into our strength training. So this is all, again, I just want to show you what the centers look and feel like. So this is the entire center in our Branford facility. And the nice part is about this is that it's a one big open space. So what that allows us to do is our trainers can always be can always see you and make sure that you're doing your exercises correctly and answer any questions that you have about your program. So it's a very, very different experience than just joining a gym. I've spoken to a few people over the past month and a half, and they are asking, how are you different than other gyms? We are different because our membership is more of a service. It's not just joining a gym and being, swiping your card and then going out into this big jungle of steel that I call it. Figuring things out on your own. We customize your program specific to your individual needs and capabilities. So we go through an evaluation process to figure out what that is. And then we either do 2 one-on-one sessions or 4 one-on-one sessions. And those allow us to teach you everything that you need to know about your specific exercise routine. So again, it's not something where you just swipe your card and you go figure things out on your own. We are very hands-on with you from the beginning to make sure that you're comfortable and confident with the exercise routine that we designed for you. And then throughout every single session, there's a trainer there that's walking the floor the entire time and making sure that you are having an enjoyable and effective exercise experience every single session. So drastically different from a service standpoint, and even from an aesthetic standpoint as well. I always like to say it looks more like a spa or like a physical therapy place rather than the rubber floors, the mirrors everywhere of a large fitness facility. We like to make sure that it doesn't look like a gym. Most people that are members don't like gyms, so we want to be the un-gym or non-gym, which is what we've been called. So I hope you got more out of this. And again, this looks much, much more similar to what Niantic will look like. And I hope to meet you there soon. Take care.